Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the sketching using randomness. So in my previous video, I showed you how to do it with a printed guiding lines, which is the dotted line. Okay, so in this video, there is no guiding line. How are you going to do? Now remember, previously we have learned how to lock your wrist. Okay, this is your wrist, and swing your arm. This is your arm. So lock your wrist, swing your arm, you are able to draw straight line. Lock your wrist, swing your arm, you are able to draw circles. Okay, so over here, I lock my wrist, swing my arm, I draw a line. Okay, lock my wrist, swing my arm, I draw another line. Now, then in this case, it says 2 lines and 2 circles or arc. So then I practice to draw circle, and then I start to draw. And this is my circle. Okay, but my circle went out. So whatever that is outside, I do not have to draw. So eventually I left with an arc. Next, another circle I intend to draw here. So you can see that I don't just draw straight. I'll go around first. Then once I'm more confident, I draw. So you can see that this is my another circle which also went out. So whatever that's outside, I don't need to darken. So I left with 2 arcs. So I meet the criteria of 2 lines. Line number 1, line number 2, and 2 arc, which is arc number 1 and arc number 2. Now, let me zoom in. So this will be the guidelines. Then we will find a point to start and be our starting point. Okay, so let's now start with a starting point. Okay, so I chose the starting point next to this arc here. So I'll just use the arc that I've drawn earlier. Okay, so when I'm here, I see this line that I've drawn. Okay, so I'll just use this part to form. Then I will continue to come down. And I will move over. Now when I'm at this junction, I see that there's an opportunity to change my shape. So I move up. Then I come down. And I continue. And I see this curve that I want to turn to. Then done. I form my shape here. Okay.